ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीः नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री 18th chapter in shloka 131 we saw if there is one atma and that atma is to be known through a triputi pramata praman prameya. So to know atma you need another pramata. To know that pramata you need another triputi pramata praman prameya. And to know pramana you need pramata pramana prameya. To know prameya you will need triputi again. And atmani ekasmin eva asakta kartrutvam asakta upakshinam. Once a kartrutva is used for one pramata, then that triputi is used once. Then next thing, if you want to know, again you will have to use another triputi. Then for next thing, another triputi. So in this way, when kartrutva siddhi has to happen, then karanatva karmatva siddhi will not happen. Yat kartrutvam tadeva karana karmanoho siddhau na syat ityarthah. तथा च एकस्मिन avabhase, ekasmin at one time when one illumination is there, then कर्त्रादि भावेन अन्वीयमानानां तदैव अवभासांतर साधन तो अन्वय अयोगात. That same thing when it is doing karta illumination, it cannot do karma and karana illumination also. Also we saw karta siddhi has to happen first. Why?
Karta is
swatantra. Karta is swatantra, swatantra karta. And then kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. So karta has to come first, then it's his ipsitatamam, his most desired thing will become the object, most desired at that time. So in this way, kartradi tritayasya yugapad anubhava sadhana sambhavana na. Kartradi tritayasya yugapad anubhava sadhana is not possible. Further, 132 introduction. Kartradinam yugapad siddhya abhyupagame vyakaran virodhopi syat. We had read this shloka? No.
No, sorry.
But I had indicated. Kartradinam yugapad siddhi abhyupagame. Kartradi, karta, karana, karma. In their yugapad siddhi, even vyakarana virodha will happen. That is shown here. व्याप्तुमिष्टञ्च यत्कर्तुः क्रियया कर्म तत्स्मृतम् अतो हि कर्तृतन्त्रत्वं तस्येष्टं नान्यतन्त्रता. व्याप्तुमिष्टं च यत् कर्तुः क्रियया कर्म तत्स्मृतम् अतो हि कर्तृतन्त्रत्वं तस्येष्टं नान्यतन्त्रता। कर्तुः क्रियया यद् व्याप्तुमिष्टं तत् कर्म स्मृतम्। कर्तुः क्रियया, कर्ता's action, whatever kriya is there, jnana kriya also you can use. Yad vyaptum ishtam, vyaptum means visheshana aptum, aptum ishtam means ipsitatamam. What is ipsitatamam of a karta for any kriya? That is called karma according to Smriti. Smriti here means Panini's Sutra. Panini Maharshi's karma, karya is called here as Smriti, Smriti Grantha. Means according to Sutras. Ato hi kartritantratvam tasya ishtam. Tasya kartuhu karmasya, karmanah. Karmanah kartritantratvam. Karma will depend upon karta. Karta is swatantra. So karta is swatantra, swatantra karta. But karma is karta dependent. If it is karta dependent, then karma will come only after karta siddhi happens. Simultaneously karta, karma, karana, all siddhi cannot happen. Karana will be decided after karma is decided. If karma is shabda, means karta wants shabda jnanam, let us say, then karana will be shrotra indriya. So karana will be decided only after karma is decided. Karma can be decided only after karta is decided. So there is no way simultaneously all three can be decided. Tika. Kartuhu kriyaya yad vyaptum ishtatamam tat karma smritam. Kartuhu kriyaya. By the kriya of the karta, yad vyaptum ishtatamam, that which is most desired, that is called karma. According to Smriti. Smritam means as per the Smritis. Karturipsitatamam karma iti Paninina smritam ityartha. Smritam by Panini Maharshi. Hi yasmad evam atastasya karmanaha sakala karaka prayoktru swatantra kartru tantratvam ishtam na tad vyatirikta adhyaksha tantrata. Yasmad evam, since this is how it is, therefore, atas tasya karmana, of that karma, sakala karaka prayoktru swatantra kartrutantratvam ishtam na tad vyatirikta adhyaksha tantrata. So karma will be kartrutantratvam. Karma will have kartrutantratvam and karta is swatantra. So karmanaha kartrutantratvam. This is the small sentence. And karta's visheshana is swatantra. So swatantra kartuhu tantratvam. Swatantra kartrutantratvam karmanaha. And how that karta is swatantra? सकल कारक प्रयोक्ता, कर्ता इज सकल कारक प्रयोक्ता, प्रयोक्तृ. All karakas, karta will decide how they will be used. What will be the karma, what will be the karana, what is the adhikarana, what is sampradana, everything. Karta will decide. Karta is swatantra. न तद व्यतिरिक्त अध्यक्ष तंत्रता. Karma will not be decided by some other entity different from the swatantra karta. Ukta nyayena tat sadhaka asiddhehe ityartha. And by this reasoning given here, some other adhyaksha whose adhina is karma, that siddhi will not happen. So the shloka said, ato hi kartru tantratvam tasya ishtam na anya tantrata ishta. Karma is not any other anya tantra. It is kartru tantra. Okay. Tasmat. So now he concludes this topic. Topic which started from 124th shloka. That all padarthas, their siddhi will happen only through vidhimukha pramana. That he is concluding that topic. Tasmat vidhirupena pravruttadeva pramanat abhimata vastu siddhir nanya nisheda matravasanat iti nirnitam iti upasamharati. Vidhirupena pravruttadeva pramanat abhimata vastu siddhi. Abhimata vastu siddhi is only when vidhi rupa pramana pravritti happens. So here abhimata vastu is Atma. Na anya nisheda matra avasanat. Only by nisheda matra avasanam abhimata vastu siddhi, Atma vastu siddhi will not happen. Iti nirnitam. This has been concluded now. That conclusions upasamhara he does. Iti upasamharati. Shabdadvanumitervapi pramanadva tatonyatah siddhi sarva padarthanam syadagnyam pratinanyatha. Shabdadvanumitervapi pramanadva tatonyatah siddhi sarva padarthanam syadagnyam pratinanyatha. Shabdadva anumitehe va api pramanat va sarva padarthanam siddhi syad. This is one vakya. Then second vakya will be tato anyatah agnyam prati sarva padarthanam siddhi syad na anyatha. So agnyam prati tatah anyatah. Tatah anyatah, Tikakara just says one line. Anyatah means anyasmat. Anyasmat pratyakshat eva. For Ajnani, the Padartha Siddhi will happen only through Pratyaksha. I mean, they understand only Pratyaksha. But for Viveki Purushas, Shabdat or Anumiti, Shabda Praman or Anumana Praman. And for Atma, Shabda and Anumana both can be used. As we are seeing in Brahma Sutra, Anumana Praman will be used for Sahakari of Shruti. So Sarva Padarthanam Siddhi. So Shabda Pramana or Anumana Pramana here will be Vidhimukha Pramana. Pratyaksha is Pratyaksha Dwara, means through Pratyaksha, Siddhi of Vastu is only Agnyam Prati, is only for Ajnanis. That can mean two things. One is only what is Pratyaksha, that is all they will understand. And for them to understand anything, unless it is Pratyaksha, they will not accept. So Shabda Pramana or Anuman Pramana can also give you knowledge that Aviveki Purusha will not accept. Okay, so this topic is complete here. Now from 134 to 140, 134 to 140 is Atma Swarupa Pratipatti. Atma Swarupa Pratipatti means Atma Swarupa Jnana. And 141 to 152 is Kshanika Vijnanavad Nirasa or Khandanam. Kshanika Vijnanavad Nirasa or Khandanam. It's refutation of Kshanika Vijnana. So two topics are, once Atma Swarupa Pratipatti is clear, then Kshanika Vijnana refutation will be connected to that. Tika. Jadanam pravritta pramanadeva siddhirastu na swayam chetanasyetyashankya aha. Jadanam. Now this is a beautiful Purvapaksha. He says, so what was the discussion so far? Siddhanti said you need Vidhimukha Pramanam to know Atma. Purvapakshi said only Nishedamukha Pramanam is enough to know Atma. I will do negation and what will remain is Atma alone. So Siddhanti said no, because for Vijnanavadi, Shunyavadi, they tried the same thing and they ended up in Shunya. So you have to have Vidhimukha Pramana. Now Purvapakshi says for Jada Vastu, you need Pramanam. For Swayam Prakasha, Chaitanya, why do you need Pramanam? For Ghata, you need Pramana. Like this is what we say. Chidabhasa is required for Jada Vastu like Ghatadi. Chidabhasa is not required for Brahma because Brahma is Swayam Prakash. So this line you see now. Jadanam pravritta pramana deva siddhirastu na swayam chetanasya. Jada Vastu, for them pravritta pramana siddhi. Pramana pravritti will happen. Through that, Vastu siddhi will happen for Jada Vastu. But Swayam Chaitanya, how do you say the Siddhi will be like this? Na Swayam Chaitanasya. इति आशंक्याः अध्यक्षस्यापि सिद्धिः स्यात् प्रमाणेन विनैव वा विना स्वस्य प्रसिद्धिस्तु नाज्ञं प्रत्युपयुज्यते. It is not jnanam, it is nagnyam. You have to reverse the shabd, pada, not pada, the akshara. Varna vyatyaya you have to do. Nagnyam. Adhyakshasyapi siddhihi syat pramanena vinaiva va vina swasya prasiddhistu nagyam pratyupayujyate. So now a vikalpa is created. Adhyakshasya api siddhihi pramanena syat vinaiva va syat. So adhyaksha atma, sakshi. This sakshi siddhi for ajnani also, let us say, will it happen through pramana or without pramana? Pramanena siddhi syat vinaiva va. Vina swasya prasiddhistu agnyam prati na upayujyate. But swasya atmanah siddhi, prasiddhi. Vina means vina pramanena. Pramanena vina atmanah prasiddhi tu agnyam prati na upayujyate. For ajnani, without pramana, atma siddhi will not happen. So, Acharya himself is explaining this. Purvapakshi's question was, Swayam Prakasha Atma, why do I need pramana? So he says, without pramana, Atma prasiddhi means Atmanah siddhi, for Ajnani it will not happen. Ajnam prati na upayujyate. So you can say the whole shloka is for Ajnani. So what about Jnani then? For a Jnani, Atma siddhi, how will it happen? You say Atma is Swayam Prakasha. Atma is Swayam Prakasha. The Swarupa of Atma, the nature of Atma, which is the topic now, that will not be known without Vidimukha Pramana. For example, earlier the discussion was only Nishedmukha. Let's say Atma is Sadrupa. That I know because I am Ahamasmi. So this part I can know. Aham Bhami, I know. Jnana Swarupa. So Atma Swarup is Sat Chit. This much I can know. Atma is Ananda Swarupa. Because I love myself, Atmanasu Kamaya Sarvam Priyam Bhavati, etc. In Sushupti, even in the absence of Vishaya, I am Ananda Swarupa. So only using Yukti, I can prove myself as Satchit Ananda. This much is clear? I did not elaborate, assuming that you know. Clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now the question is this Atma Parichinna or not? Only using yukti you will know of parichinnatva or not. Parichinnatva will not reveal that. Atma is aparichinna. Yukti will not tell. Atma is what we call ananta. Or there is no sajatiya bheda. Means there are not many atmas. Like Sankhya Darshan says, Atma is Vibhu and Atma is Aneka. So this aspect is not important. Not important in the sense, this aspect is irrelevant for a Vedantin. Because we say such thing is not there. Not many Atmas. Only one Atma, Vibhu. So this, if you use only your own intellection, you will end up with many Atma only. Like Sankhya. Earlier, those who use only Nishedha Mukha Pramana with their own intellection, they ended up in Shunyam. Those who don't accept Vidhi Mukha Pramana, only their intellection, they will end up in Aneka Atma. And that Atma, whether it is different from Anatma or one with Anatma, that without Pramana they will not know. So without Pramana, Sankhya said, all Anatma is from Pradhana. They did not say all Anatma is Vivarta of Atma. So without Shastra, you can get in some tangent. Tika. येयम अध्यक्षस्य सिद्धिरज्ञस्य सा प्रमाणाधीना नवा इति विकल्प्य या इयम अध्यक्षस्य सिद्धि. भाष्य शब्द आर वेरी सिंपल. भाष्य में टीका, even श्लोक शब्द आर वेरी सिंपल. You don't have to know too much of Vyakarana. You don't have to know much of Nyaya in this chapter so far. Entire discussion and tikas are generally small, not very big. 4 or 5 lines on average. But the vichara is very sukshma. The importance of Vidhi Mukha Pramanam, and even though the nature of Atma is known as Swayam Prakasha, Sadrupa, Chidrupa, etc., how the Pramana is useful, those things are being pointed out. So this Adhyaksha Siddhi for an Ajnani, Ajnasya, Sa Pramanadhina Nava. Adhyaksha Siddhi is depending upon Pramana or not. Iti Vikalpya Antye Swarupa Prakasha Matrasya Vina Pramanena Siddhavapi Jnanam Prati Adhyakshata Tasya Siddhyati Iti Dushayati. So Pramanadhina Siddhi Nava. 2 Vikalpas are done. So Vikalpya Antye, second Vikalpa is Adhyaksha Siddhi Pramana Adhina Na. Adhyaksha Siddhi is not Pramana Adhina. Iti Vikalpya Antye Swarupa Prakasha Matrasya Vina Pramanena Siddhavapi. that which is Swayam Prakasha Rupa, without Pramana also, if it is Siddha, Siddhapi, Jnanam Prati Adhyakshata Tasya Siddhyati iti Dushayati. But Jnanam Prati Tasya Adhyakshata Siddhyati, that part is not correct. Without Pramana also, Swayam Prakash Vastu can be known. But what is the nature of that Swayam Prakash Vastu? That it is aparichinna, that there is no sajatiya bheda, vijatiya bheda, etc. And it is Jagat Karanam, it is Sakshi, Asanga. All these things will not be known. So, Jnanam Prati Tasya Adhyakshata Siddhyati iti Dushayati. Siddhyati will say Purvapakshi. Dushanam Siddhanti is doing. अध्यक्ष स्वरूपमपि विकल्प्य प्रमाणाधीन सिद्धिकतां तस्य दर्शयन् आद्यं पक्षम अभ्यनुजानाति. अध्यक्ष स्वरूपमपि विकल्प्य. Now in अध्यक्ष स्वरूप vikalpana is done. Vikalpa means A, B, C, some three things will be chosen. Then we will analyze each. Pramanadhina siddhikatam tasya darshayan. तस्य कस्य प्रमाणाधीन सिद्धि.
Nature of art.
अध्यक्षस्य स्वरूप. अध्यक्ष स्वरूपस्य प्रमाणाधीन सिद्धि तद्दर्शयन् आद्यं पक्षम अभ्यनुजानाति. So now have showing that Adyam Paksham, he creates different Paksha. Abhyanujanati. So in the first Paksha, he shows it abhitaha sarvataha. तस्यैवाज्ञत्वमिष्टं चेत् ज्ञानत्वेन्यामतिर्भवेत् अन्यस्यैवाज्ञतायां च तद्विज्ञाने ध्रुवा भवेत्. तस्यैवाज्ञत्वमिष्टं चेत् ज्ञानत्वेन्यामतिर्भवेत् अन्यस्यैवाज्ञतायां च तद्विज्ञाने ध्रुवा भवेत्. So अनुजानाति means अनुज्ञाम ददाति. अनुज्ञा means approval. आद्यम पक्षम अभ्यनुजानाति. तस्यैव अज्ञत्वम इष्टम चेत तस्य आत्मनः. Let's say Atma itself is Agnya. Atma is Agnya. Tasya adhyakshasya Agnatvam ishtam chet Jnanatvena anyamatir bhavet. Then Jnanatvena anyamatihi, some other jnanam which is arising from pramana, that is required for illumining this Atma. Because Atma is Jada, so now you need some other Chaitanya. But if Anyasyaiva Agnyatayam cha, the other one is Agnya, means Jada. What is his other one now? Other one means Ahankara. Anya is Ahankara. Anashnananyo is Atma. and the one who is karta bhokta. That word is ahankara. So in Tika, ahankara shabd they have given. Mantra they have not given. Atma and ahankara. Tvasuparna sayuja sakhaya. They are the two sitting together. So anyasyeva ajnatayam, if the ahankara is ajna, then tad vijnane cha dhruva matir bhave. Then in that knowledge, you need shastra jnanam for a nishchita shastra jnanam you need. Nishchita shastra jnanam about Atma Tattva. Because Jadatva is there in Ahankara. If Atma is Jada, then you need some other Chetan Vastu. Means a Chidabhasa gets Chetana from Atma. Remember, who will remove Ajnanam? Chaitanya only. Jada Vastu. Only Vritti, Ghatakar Vritti cannot remove Ghata Vishayaka Ajnana. Ghatakar Vritti Pratibimbita Chaitanya will remove Ajnana. So if Atma itself is Jada, from somewhere else, some Chaitanya entity has to be there which will produce this Chaitana Pratibimba, that will remove Ajnana. If Atma is Jnana Swarupa, Ahankara is Jada. In Jada Ahankara, whatever Vritti arises, Atma is always there to give sentiency, Vritti will be sentient. That Vritti that is arising is from Shastra. Shastra Pramana Janita Vrittau Atmanaha Pratibimbam, that will remove Ajnanam, whatever Vishayaka Ajnanam it is. So, for Adhyaksha Siddhi, he says Vidimukha Pramana is needed. Tika we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.